Hi, Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today is going to be a Macy's little haul. I do have a few things. I'm probably going to break them up into a couple of other little videos. This one, though, I think should be starting my Ralph Lauren series. So I am having Ralph Lauren. I did fall into the Ralph Lauren hole, but I went for a little bit different items than like Jackie and Birkin Boy and Caleb. I kind of went with different little things that I liked, kind of different stuff that I enjoyed off of them. So without making y'all wait anymore, let's get to it. Okay, Bean Beauties, how are y'all trying to get the hang of recording in here? This table is not really conducive, not used to what I like. I think it's too far that way. It's because it's octagon shape, because it's not really a table. It's a bumper pull table. So thus it really doesn't work very well for how I need it. So right now y'all aren't going to get to watch the actual unboxings, but I'll just have to pick everything up. So these two are brand new items that I got from. They were on sale, and when they were on sale I could not resist. I knew I wasn't quite ready to do a video, but that's how I roll. I just get them and collect them, and then they'll sit there and everybody's like, how can you let them sit there? It's like, oh, because I have so many other things I'm working on and doing. You know, I just, when the deals come, you got to grab the deals when the deals come, because when you're ready to work on something, the deals won't be there. So this is from the Ralph Lauren collection, and which I believe is the collection that either he named after his wife, or his wife, Ralph Lauren wife, actually does it. I'm not quite sure, but look, it's my color. This is called the Nappa leather zip card case, and oh, I love a good Nappa leather. And it's the quilting, so it's all what the rage is right now, that's coming out, the quilting leather, the Nappa leather, the leather that Coach does for their quilted tabby. So I definitely knew that I would like it. It's got the little thingy still there, but I'm gonna put it back. I'm gonna put it back until I'm ready to use it. And so here's the front, here's the side, here's the back. Look at that heart. Here's the other side, here's the bottom, and here's the top. Love the red and gold combination. I love that. I'm into the gold right now. Sometimes I'm into the silver, sometimes I'm into the gold, sometimes I'm into, you know, different colors, copper. Just right now the gold is catching my eye. So this is a card case. So it has, let's look at the back. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. It has the zipper here. Let's see what's inside. Of course, I got the stuffing that's inside. Has all those accoutrements. Lauren leather. I'm going to read that in just a second. Let me take all this out. Has information. Okay, so here is the inside. It's just like a little beige. This is kind of a grosgrain, kind of like a grosgrain ribbon, you know, like that's kind of what it feels like. And then also too, here is a slot here that you can put a card case, or probably, you know, fold up some bills and stuff in there. So I really love the heart here. I love the heart here, there. You know, I kind of collect hearts. We were married on Valentine's Day. Our wedding colors were red, white, and black. So it's all kind of goes around in circles. Kind of goes around in circles. So let's see what it says about Ralph Lauren. Okay, so this says Ralph Lauren. Inspired by the iconic world of Ralph Lauren and handcrafted from materials of exceptional quality, Lauren by Ralph Lauren captures a rich, authentic heritage with modern, timeless style. We hope you enjoy the Lauren by Ralph Lauren accessory and encourage you to preserve its beauty and integrity. Definitely, it's beautifully made. So it's the same, you know, tradition, the same qualities as the Ralph Lauren. It's just the dated, more fashionable line that is a Ralph Lauren section. This says about the leather, it says your accessory is made of finely tanned leather with beautiful variations in color and texture. Our leather is carefully selected for its quality, hand feel, and durability. To care for your accessories, use a soft, damp cloth to wipe clean and have cleaned by a leather professional when needed. Permanent stains are not removable and should be left alone. So if you stain it permanently, you know, don't be messing with it and making it worse, is what they're saying. And then here is the tags that come with it. Just the proof of tags. So it was regular $95 item, and I got it for $57, $470 tax, so a total of $61.70 for this beautiful card case, Nappa leather zip card case. Love it. I really love that. Okay, so let's set this aside. Next item is in here. Oh, you can see it's red as well. They were having, I don't remember what the sale was. So this was, I purchased this March the 4th, 2024. So I don't know what sale was going on. Maybe a friends and family sale. It doesn't really say what it is on here. But I had been looking at this and looking at this since it came out. So this was regularly $150. Was, I believe, I want to say it was $195 actually. I want to say that it was $195, $198 is what this was originally at. Then it kind of fell down to $150, and then with the sale, it was $140. I think that's how it was. And look at this. It is it's officially called the Leather Turnlock Mini Crossbody. But oh, I just love it. So this was my answer to the Louis Vuitton Felicie in the red. Yota Styles was the first one that I saw who had that. The Felicie, and which I love that bag, but then she has it in the red, and I fell in love with it. Was it that one, or was it a Fendi? No, or was it a Fendi? You know what? It was she either had a Fendi that was a quilted Fendi in the red, or it was the LV in the red. I'm not sure. I'll try to insert it down here. I'll go do research. But it's stuck in my head, the color and the bag stuck in my head. So let's look at the strap here. It's beautiful, red and gold strap. See? Yeah. Let me try to, my hands are not working today. Let me see if I can. Okay. Oh, you know what? It does. Here, look. Here is a turn lock. It also has the hearts on it. Turn lock there, and that's how you open it. Here is all the stuffing in here. Look, and then it even follows through with the cover in the back. You could have just put a square lock, but they followed all the way through. And so here, I thought that this was detachable. Oh, it is detachable. Let me see. Okay. Whoops. So right here it's detachable, and you can slip it out. Ta-da! So you can slip it out, and it can just be a clutch, or you can use it just as a wallet, or you can use it as a wallet and chain. See? Ta-da! And let me see if I can get this out. So it's just gorgeous. And here's the hardware, the chain, and of course all the leather all corresponds to each other. So let me see if I can get this back in here without it being all twisted up. So it doesn't have D-rings on it necessarily. So here they snap together like this. This is when I like the table, when it's pointing down the table, so I don't have to be lifting things up. So I'll have to get that. And then you just kind of twist it back to where they're nice and straight. See, make them nice and straight. And then it's just beautiful, made it soft, 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 soft. Here's also, so $250. Yeah, I knew it was more than that. So this is says $250, but I think it came out at $198. And here is it, just one compartment here. It has 1, 2, 3 card slots here. So these are just when they're really quick and easy. And this is all the kinds of things that I just, you know, when I'm just trying to run back and forth. I like to carry these, like the wallet, in my bags, whatever bags I have, and you carry it in the wallet, and then I can just take the wallet out and pop it on. So here is what it looks like. So I can wear it a little bit crossbody. It comes up high on me right here, but it's good enough to go into the store, so I just kind of carry it like that. And these are things I like to also wear when I'm going shopping, if I'm on the scooter, when we're out at the ports, the different ports, cruising at different ports, because I can just carry it on my person, because usually I just try to carry it here. It's easy for me to get in and out. I can wear it facing out, or I can wear this in the back so that I, you know, for security purposes. Because sometimes what I like to do is I'll wear them backwards like this. So it's still pretty on the outside. And I don't know if my phone will fit. I might have to include a mod shot and see if my phone will fit. But then see, I can pick this up and I can open this. Whoever I'm dealing with can't see inside my purse, and I can go in here and take money out or what have you, so they can't see how much I have in here, and then hand it to them. Because with it only being one little open container, then I can keep my envelopes that has my monies in it, or, you know, keep the money in there like that. But then it still looks pretty, you know, and it's not something that they can take, because they have to take me with them. So it's just a gorgeous little piece. And yes, I like to have options. I like to have options in everything. Handbags, suitcases, clothing, everything, which is why I am a heavy packer, because I pack for every occasion. All right, Bean Beauties, I hope you liked this part of my Ralph Lauren series that I'm starting, that I'm having. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you love this. Here is the wallet on the chain, and here's a card case. Oh, and the card case can fit in here too, but yeah, see, so it fits in there as well too. But you know, it's an accompanying piece to this, so I can keep that with me together. Options, options, options. Alrighty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. Love y'all. Bye-bye.